Hello, my lovely people. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So, I'm basically on my bed. Why? Because the video of today is so tall. It's so long. Like, it will be more than an hour for my writing. That's what I choose because it plays. So, today, we're gonna watch Born to Me Chapter 1 for Beanie. Oh my god, Beanie documentary. So, bring something to drink. I bring my orange juice and let's watch and see what we have. I'm so excited and I wanna thank so much this girl because she gave me literally her own account to watch this and all the love for the Filipino fans and for Bloom specifically. So my diamond, let's go and see it. Oh my god, this is my makeup. It's from Gwen. I said and I told you that I will do it in this video and I do it. I hope you like it. So let's go.
Saan ba ako titingin?
So, pakilala mo yung sarili mo kay camera.
Hi! Ako po si Bini Joanna.
Hi.
Ang pinakamag... Sorry! Ako po si Bini
No,
Joanna.
you heard the
Hi, I'm Gwen. Bini Gwen.
Hi.
Hi, camera. I'm Bini Colette.
Oh,
Hi, everyone. I'm Mika from
my
Bini.
baby.
Hi, I'm Bini Sheena. Hi, Blooms and everyone in the world. I'm Maloy.
Maloy.
Hi, I'm Stacy. I'm 21 and I'm a member of Bini.
Hi everyone, I'm Mariah Keener, 720.
Oh my god, why they are so cute? All of them are so cute.
From Cebu.
Mas artista siguro than performer yung gusto ko nung bata ako. Nasa sala ako. Ini-imagine ko yung sarili ko nasa ASAP ako. Tapos nakikurious ako,
Oh.
yung mga singer sa ASAP, ginagaya ko yon. Parang everyone naman, gusto ba, gusto maging artista.
And eventually, kakanood ko ng TV. Tapos mommy ko K-pop fan. Naano na ako sa pagkanta and pagsayaw. Actually, nung bata ako, dance lang. Pangarap ko lang noon makaperform sa ASAP.
Pag walang tao sa bahay namin, minsan ako lang naiiwan. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Magsasayaw-sayaw ako, kumakanta.
Oh.
Kaartehan ko lang.
They didn't change, like, their fashion didn't change a lot. Even with the makeup, they still have this baby face on them. That's so cute.
Yun yung mga ganun. Kasi nga, nanonood ako ng TV.
Si mama ko, mahilig din siya kumanta. So parang, naging pangarap niya sa akin na maging artista din ako. Kasi parang
Oh, see, she got the inspiration from her mom. That's so good.
bata pa po ako, kumakanta ako kahit wala pa akong naaanong words. Na yung nasasabi ng maayos. Ganun.
Oh.
Start ako kumanta, 3 years old pa lang ako. Kumakanta na ako ng mga nursery rhymes. Yung parents ko, sinali ako sa dance
Oh.
group. May hip-hop, tapos may ballroom. Doon na-hone yung skills ko sa pagsasayaw.
Pag magkakaraoke. Ako parang taga-hype lang ako, taga-pili ako ng kanta sa karaoke book. Ako na maglibre ha, huwag niyo ako pakantahin. Ganun po, ayoko talaga. Pero parang secretly sa room or pag mag-isa, nag-record ako na kumakanta. Pero pag pinapakinggan ko, parang ano ba to?
Sumasayaw ako with my friend, with my childhood friend. Pink na pink pa ako noon. I was just for fun, not really anything serious. Pero I've always enjoyed being on the stage or something like that.
Nung bata po ako, pangarap ko na talagang maging sikat na artista kasi mahilig po ako manood ng TV before. Pangarap ko rin pong maging Miss Universe, maging beauty queen, maging model, maging flight attendant. Sobrang punong-puno po ako ng pangarap. Pero isa lang yung hindi ko pinangarap talaga, yun ay yung maging idol.
Oh my god, they're so young there. Oh.
Hey!
My girl.
Are your nails pretty?
Oh, it's green, it's blue.
Oh.
Mahaba lang talaga yun.
Asan yung pen?
Roommate ko si Stacy kasi by age yung roommate.
She's my roomie again, I hear.
Yeah.
They're so funny. They're You're crazy, boy. You're crazy.
Ay, taray. First time ko yata na may nag-surprise. Kaya nga. Never ko na-experience na pag
Pasok
Wow.
namin, nag-usap agad kami. Sabi namin, before,
Oh my. Look how this idiot and that's so humble from them and so cute. That show that that's showing themselves. They didn't intend to show that something that it's not them.
nung nagsisimula pa lang kami, yung ganitong room, kasya siya for 4 or 3 tao. Hati-hati na kami nun.
Apat kami, tapos dalawang single bed. Tapos pinagdikit na lang namin. Pinagdikit na lang namin para kumasya kami lahat.
Wow, the Pasabella.
Tapos ang gulo ng gamit.
Pero nung nakaluwag-luwag na kami sa buhay, napaaral na namin yung isa't isa, nagaling kami abroad, hinaya na namin yung ganito.
taray. Feel na talaga namin nga lahat. Hindi ngayon lang pa kasi concert for after.
Oh my god.
Mahihain ako sobra, pero nung itong sa concert, wala nang pakialam kung naririnig ako ng kapitbahay ko sa banda.
Totoo, ako hindi ako makapractice sa
Wala nang pakialam talaga. Pero sobrang nahihiya ako, pero sabi ko, shucks, kailangan ko talaga. Guys, nasa 20th floor tayo. It's my fun.
So cute. They're crazy though. They're so funny. You're so pretty, even if it's close.
Si Mika din, puro thirst trap.
Nakalag talaga yung TikTok ko.
Nakabahan na ako.
Ngayong gabi na ang simula ng 3 araw na first solo concert ng BINI.
Aya! Big cheers to who? To Beanie. Fans to Bloom. They are so happy and so kind. I love them. And I'm one of them. Oh.
Tonight is the night. Ang pinakahihintay na first solo
Oh.
concert ng Nation's girl group na BINI.
Oh, I like the Nation Girl group there. How described it so good. And even they're in the news. That's mean. They are a big hit in Filipino. I love her too. Oh, the staff are so nice. Oh, how much staff there? So many. Oh, they will be so nervous at this time.
One, two, three, four. Tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paside na tayo, girl. So, papunta dito. So,
Oh, so the showing here, the showing up, the preparation before the concert. Oh, okay, that's nice from them. Okay.
Yung concert talaga, it's really our dream. Ito yung talagang pinaghahandaan namin before pa. Like, parang nandito na. Ito na yung kabuuan lang, lahat ng pinaghirapan namin. Dito nyo makikita.
Paano ka makakaisip ng bagong pakulo sa mga songs na nagawa niyo na before? Yun yung mahirap eh. Paano mo siya bibigyan ng ibang flavor para bago sa mata? Kasi ilang beses na rin kami nag-perform sa mga events.
To be honest, napapressure na talaga ako kasi 9 days to go na lang concert na and talagang hindi ko maiwasan mag-overthink. Kailangan din namin itong push, kailangan namin ipakita yung kung sino talaga kami.
Sa rehearsals po, nire-record namin siya everyday kung ano yung natutunan namin.
Sobrang
Oh,
9 a.m. to 10 p.m. kami sa sobrang hapon
wow.
time nun. So, video namin kada round para maalala namin and ma-review. Yung progress namin usually, nakikita namin siya each day. Kasi each day, ang dami namin tututunan na bago. Hindi kami na-stock sa isang pyesa.
Oh, that show how professional they are. No, serious. Oh, nice. Yeah.
Dami ko palang gawin.
Oh, they're sexy. Oh, they're so charming.
Super happy ko kasi yung mga nakuha po naming dancers, besties po namin sila tawagin. Tinitreat lang namin sila na parang part na rin ng grupo. Ang saya-saya lang namin, ang saya-saya lang ng bonding po.
Oh.
Hindi siya want eh, parang need na talaga siya gawin. At the end of the day, parang for the blooms pa rin naman to. And of course, nanonood yung mga parents namin. The first time talaga nila. Ako, yung parents ko, yung whole family ko, lilipad talaga sila para...
Oh, that's so nice.
Nung unang mga rehearsal, medyo nakakabaliw siya eh. Kasi parang na-overwhelm kami na yung mga prods, yung mga solo pa, ano yung pwedeng gawin. Ito yung mga times na hanggang inaabot kami ng gabi para matapos yung prod.
Oh.
Number one ko din iniisip, yung pakiramdam ng girls na yung magaan yung pakiramdam nila pag niran nila yung buong show.
Pero sobrang naiklian po talaga kami sa time namin, sa preparation namin.
Ako parang hindi ko pa ma-imagine yung buong show. Parang medyo imposible pa siya eh.
It was our first ever solo con with a big crowd.
Oh.
And obviously with higher numbers, higher expectations. So,
Alright.
nakakabata.
Did you know what make them so anxious like that is that they need to put a lot of work. Like they're in every single part.
Okay, nandito na tayo. Ito yung first ever concert natin. Ganyan, ang daming pinagdaan. Yung may mga talk na, mga ganun.
Wow. Oh, so nice. Why?
Good job, girls. And noon, sobrang cheesy noon. Hindi namin kaya magsabihan ng ganun noon. And feeling ko corny siya before kasi nga di pa naman kami sobrang close noon.
Ang impression din kasi sa amin, spoon-fed na lahat. Pero hindi po totoo yan. Kung alam nila talaga yung kinayod talaga namin.
Oh, is that their audition? Oh, okay, Star Heart audition. Oh, 2018. Oh, that's
Ako po si Joanna Christine B. Robles, 14 years
Oh,
old.
baby.
Nakatira po sa Calamba City, Laguna.
Hi, I'm Maria Nicolette Vergara, 16 years old, from Tagbilaran City.
My name is Mika Alejandra J. Lim, but you can call me Mika. I'm 14 years old. I study in San Pedro, Poveda.
Oh, my baby was so
I'm
nervous.
Sheena May Katakutan. I'm 14 years old. I live at Victory Sur, Santiago City, Isabela, and I study at University of La Salle.
Good noon, everyone. My name is Marilyn Perez Ricalde. I am 16 years of age and I live in General Trias, Cavite.
As natural as possible.
Oh, she was so nervous. They're so nervous. It's their first time.
The vision started before 2019. At the time, ang plano ng ABS-CBN is really to go international already. Gagawa tayo ng isang grupo in the tradition of yung mga sumikat na mga Asian acts like BTS, Blackpink, na talagang will have a rigorous training and discipline and yung ready to be launched into the international arena.
Get ready mag-audition sa Star Hunt
Ang Star Hunt, ang objective niya is a audition caravan na pupunta sa iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas at pupunta sa ibang bansa para makahanap ng mga sasali sa iba't ibang programa ng ABS-CBN. Iba-ibang reality show from Showtime to The Voice to PGT to PBB.
Dito rin na nagsimula ang Bini. May
Mahal
secret
siya.
project pa nun, si Direk Lauren, at secretly pumipili na siya doon sa mga auditionees ng Star Hunt.
Tawag namin doon codename Project Kayumanggi. So we wanted a Filipina and a Filipino group ibabalandra yung talent ng Filipinos to sing and dance. Kasi I've always believed, even at the time, mabitahin namin sa management, we are natural singers and dancers. Dapat meron talaga tayong representation.
Kita po namin ni Mami yung poster sa Star Hunt. Si Mami, siya yung nagsabi sa akin. Tinanong niya ako, sabi, Nak, gusto mo ba mag-audition sa Araneta?
Ayaw nila pumayag kasi nga yung pag-aaral ko, ayaw nilang maistorbo. Pero nung time na may sinend sa akin na art card about sa audition ng Star Hunt, parang sobrang affected ako ngayon na hindi ako pinayagan. Umiyak po talaga ako doon sa terrace namin. Parang may nafe-feel akong iba na parang gusto ko talagang gawin to. Wala po akong balak mag-audition.
Did you know what that make us know from her story that we need to believe in our potential and intention because they are always alright. When you feel like you need to do something, do it. Go for it. If it's okay and it's happening, okay. If not, you will never regret it because it's your choice and you do it and even if you got it on now, you will never regret it.
Wala po talaga. Kasi meron akong dance group noon. Dalawa kaming babae. Kasi isang girl nag-audition siya sa PBB. Nung in-interview siya, nabanggit niya na meron daw siyang dance group. So, yung Star Hunt, pinapunta kami.
From the top, my friend messaged me saying na may audition. Ako yung nag-print ng papers. Pinasign ko na lang sa mom ko kasi I was 14.
Actually, before ko pa siya nalaman, super avid fan ako ng PBB. Wala talaga akong guts na mag-join ng audition before. Parang diba ako, hindi naman ako kumakanta, sumasayaw. Until yung grand audition.
Yung kapatid ko, siya na yung nag-audition. Siguro pangatlong audition niya na to. Sinamahan ko siya for moral support lang. Sabi ni Mama, audition ka na din. Sabi ko, ayoko. Ano? Sabi niya, sige na, audition ka na, hayaan mo na. Pipila ka lang, oh. Ganun.
May audition sa ano.
Oh my god! So her and her sister, but she's the one who get out. Oh my god, that's so fate. That's so. Oh.
Bohol. Sobrang mahiyain ko po. Never ako nag-audition sa mga ganun. Pero nung time na yun talaga, gustong-gusto ko mag-audition. Ewan ko ba, inising ko na lang sila, Ma, ihatid mo ako sa sa mall.
Naga pa po ako nag-audition, hindi sa Albay. So, babiyahe pa ako, magva-van pa ako.
Biniyahe pa po namin 8 hours para lang sa
Wow!
audition nila. Sobrang daming tao.
Tapos pagdating namin 6 a.m., confident ako ay una ako sa pila. Pagdating ko, napakahaba ng pila.
Like, isang araw kami kasi bawal lang lumabas pa pumasok kami ng Aranete.
Wala, sarili ko lang talaga dala ko. Wala akong dalang tubig, wala akong anything, wala.
It was like afternoon till 2 a.m.
Wala akong enough money. Hindi ako kumain, hindi ako nakabili man lang ng tubig, at hindi ako makaalis ng pila. Mag-isa lang ako. So, ayun, gutom ako.
Ang muntik ko nang i-give up yung audition para lang sa pagkain. Pero nagulat ako kasi parang may bumulong po. Si Lord siguro yun, or Angel, na parang ituloy mo yan.
Stress ako kasi ang daming nanonood. Bigla ako pinakanta. Tapos sabi na, mag-audition daw ako sa PBB. Ano pang choice ko? Sila na yung nag-decision para sa akin. So, nag-audition na po ako sa PBB.
Ako si Sheena, ang dancerella ng Isabela. Ako po si Gwen, ang beautiful bunso witty ng Abay.
Cute, they're so young.
Ito na yun, nakapasok ako ng PBB. Naging housemate ako.
Wala, hindi ako pinalad. Parang months after. Pinalimutan and nakasap ko na okay. Hindi talaga to for me.
So, nabigyan ako ng star. Tapos after noon, inabot kami alas 12. Akala ko yun na yun, artista na po ako. So, hindi pala, ang daming callbacks.
Oh, there's so many.
Hindi pa namin alam na P-pop yun, basta pinasayaw ka lang, pinakanta, ganyan. Nag-uusap pa kami ng ate, para saan ba to? Ganyan, kasi nakakatakot, pinapasayaw, pinapakanta, baka saan ka pa itapon sa iba. Saring lang.
Siguro pangatlong callback bago dun sa 5 days elimination, yung bootcamp.
Hindi naman common yung sing and dance as an act. So it was quite tough to look for people who can do both. We found some, nagkaroon kami ng bootcamp, to further bring them down.
Mga 200 siguro kami doon.
Wow!
Mix na yun, yung mga lalaki, babae. Tapos sa 5 days na yun, ano yung tanggalan? First time ko nakita si Stacy doon ko nakita si Stacy na pink lahat ng suot.
Naka-shorts na pink, damit na pink, nakatakong na pink, sasayaw kami ha.
Napansin ko siya nga na bakit nga siya naka-heels condition. Medyo weird talaga.
She didn't expect that. She's going to audition. She's just ready to show up.
Ano ba description sa? First impression ko talaga kay Joanna, cloud chaser. Joke lang.
Ang gulo naman ng batang to. Ang daming energy. Dadala ng camera. Hello po. Ganun talaga siya.
Si Ate Colette, akala ko talaga like 14 years old pa lang siya noon.
Kung ano siya ngayon, complete opposite ng before. Kasi dati hindi siya nagsasalita, hindi siya umiimik.
Sa Bohol, parang mas foreign for us yung Tagalog. Para safe na lang, hindi na lang ako magsasalita.
Look at my ankles. They're gonna stay in the same place, but you're gonna open it like that.
Sobrang commute niya talaga before na Englishera. So, hirap akong kausapin siya.
Hindi ako mag-aaksaya ng oras kausapin ka kung mahihirapan lang ako. Ganon.
How's your performance? Kamusta?
Masaya po. Parang it's now or never, ganung labanan. Kapag hindi mo ginalingan ng kahit isang beses, matatanggal ka.
Mag-practice tayo dun sa gitna.
I mean, competitive ako, pero actually, on the third day, umiyak na ako kay mama na parang sinabi ko ayoko na.
Timaloy, pili na ba tayo? May mga ganun kami moments ng audition. May mga folders na ano, parang nandun yung name mo. Pag tinawag ka, hindi mo alam kung pasok ka ba o tanggal ka na.
Here in front, lahat ng tinawag.
Isa lang po yung mindset ko nung bootcamp. I will do my best and you do the rest doon. Na-reject na ako for PBB and ito talaga, gagalingan ko talaga. So yun naman yung parang fighting spirit na gusto ko na ipakita sa kanila.
Sa pangatlong araw, pinag-workout kami. Diyos ko Lord lang, pinag-blank ba naman kaming iskip. Lahat ng workout ko, first time ko na-encounter doon ko lang sabi ko, parang hindi ko kaya to.
You were just a baby. How could you let them do a hard gym workout?
Huwag magpilin, baka mas mahirap. Straight lang. Go! Upper!
So far, out of the 50, yung we feel has a potential to be launched.
So they choose 51? Oh my god, 50?
Trinay kami i-house ng 1 month lang kung kakayanin namin.
Na-excite po ako kasi after 14 years, shucks, mag-ano ako. Nahihiya ka! Pangarap ko kasi maging housemate. So parang feeling ko, magiging housemate ako.
There were about 11 in the final list.
Kailangan pa namin i-solidify. Okay, yung lineup na yun.
Oh, I love this music. I love this song.
No. Check. Ayoko.
Katatapos lang ng PBB nun. Sakto naman, in-endorse sa akin si Sheena at saka si Gwen.
Hindi pa kami super close noon. Feeling ko talaga may hint of plastikan pa rin noon. Kasi puro girls kami. Kasi mga grupo-grupo, alam mo yun, mas close ako dito, mas close siya dyan, ganyan.
Oh, may bagong member. Okay. May ganun pala. Like, pwede pa pala magpasok-pasok, hindi yung from the start.
Medyo hindi pa
You know, at this point, every time they sign a new member, that's mean they were in danger and so they felt like somebody would take their places.
prepared ako mentally. From kulong sa PBB house. Tapos paglabas ko, nagulat ako, makukulong ulit ako, gano'n.
Oh.
Pinanood pa namin siya na lumabas sa Big Brother house sila. Intimidated kami. Kasi syempre, galing sa bahay ni Kuya, like,
kilala na sila ng tao.
Diyan ako, diyan ako.
Hoy sis, kanina pa ako nagsasabi.
Dito ka, sabi mo dito ka. Dito ako. Ang laki ng space mo.
Okay. Kalaban.
Hindi pa ata nila alam that time na girl group or boy group yung gagawin. Tanong ako ni Coach Mickey na parang, Matsu, sino yung mga gustong makapasok dito? Ang sinabi ko, 3 lang.
I didn't notice her at the time. I think she was too timid.
They missed out Aya in one of the auditions. And then eventually, when they were looking back at the audition videos, nakita nila si Aya.
Na-meet ko si Aya for a different project. I think may isang group. Yung mga kasama niya, parang mas mature na girls, ganyan. Nakita ko si Aya na may potential. Sabi ko, ilang taon ka na?
Ewan ko, baka na ano nila, ay parang masyadong bata to, ilipat natin sa ano.
May isang girl from this project na parang pwede for this.
Hi everyone, I'm the new addition to the Star Hand Camp and I hope na makakatcha ako.
Kasi
She's
yung
so cute.
nag-bootcamp and then nag-training na po. Pinasok na ako yung pinaka-last. Eh, sobrang na-intimidate po ako kasi
We have a beauty queen here, so Stacey's a beauty queen. She's also you're a reigning.
I'm the reigning
Mayat na yan.
I love how they welcoming her, like talking with her achievement, like she's a queen, beauty, and the same. That will make her so comfy with them.
may mga inside jokes na sila. Pag nagjo-joke pa na ako, parang hindi ko get. Pero
She's so
Kasi
baby.
parang di po talaga kami okay kasi iba-iba kami ng ugali, iba-iba ng pagpapalaki, way ng pagpapalaki.
nakita ko nga si Colette, takot ako sa kanya. Nakakatakot, parang anger.
Pumasok na yung Korean training nila, ganun yung hinahanap namin. Paano rin sila mag-gel with their teammates.
Yung mga una talaga.
Getting along in a group, it's one of the factors that make the group last for the last. If they are get along, okay, the group will last forever. For me, it's a strong factor for them.
May mga times na hindi talaga nagkaka-evidence.
Nakita ko talaga yung hirap nila, yung transition nila from the Filipino coaches into the Korean
Oh.
coaches because magkaibang sistema eh.
Oh, why are you crying? No.
Nung time na yun during Korean training, I didn't know what to do na. Parang give up na ako. Hirap na ako mag-adjust.
Pero sa Korea naman, doon namin natutong girls maging synchronized. Doon nag-start.
Oh, it's so hard.
We had Korean trainers, very strict sila, very challenging yung kanilang mga program.
Isa din yun sa hindi ko makakalimutan yung struggle nila with the diet. Pagod sila tapos ganito pa yung kakainin nila.
Tapos yung pagkain mo lang saba, itlog, ganun lang yung kakainin mo.
Test yourselves as well. Saan ba kayo pwede pang mag-improve? Saan ba kayo pwede matuto? And whatever happens, kung sino man ang hindi mapasama, then syempre we will do something about your careers. Diba? Parang ganun. So don't give up. Don't give up.
We went through 3 Korean evaluations.
Kasi whenever we hear evaluation, okay, may matatanggal.
Nakakalungkot siya talaga. Again, I'm happy to do it only with 5 or 7 because I don't see it in you right now. Totoo lang. Wala sa inyo nakikita ko na sa puso ninyo na gusto niyo ito gawin.
Kami noon, yung main focus namin is yung nagpo-push.
This war is so. Those words are so hard and so tough for them in this situation, in this journey. To hear that is so tough for them.
Gusto ko to, ipupush ko kahit hindi pa ako sanay sa pagsasayaw pero gusto kong i-push to.
Ikikip ba o hindi. May mga ganun naman talaga because of course, meron ka pa rin feeling na baka naman may madagdag siya, may makontribute siya sa group.
Si Gwen talaga that time sobrang tahimik lang. Dati nga hindi ko pa sure kung trip niya ba itong ginagawa niya na to eh.
Dahil nga sumegway from PBB, no? Tapos biglang bootcamp agad. Ano siya? Napagod. So, nag-quit yan.
Hindi ko talaga kinain training, lalo na hindi rin ako sumasayaw. So medyo napaghihinaan din ako ng loob.
Ano yung the best for you? Ano yung gusto mo? May selfish talaga na lalabas sa'yo eh. Kahit na sabihin mo, andun ka na sa loob, kailangan mo pa din parang ilaban talaga yung pwesto mo. Mahirap din na nirarank din.
Tapos after training, bihira pa kami mag-bond noon. Like, kanya-kanya na, kanya-kanyang grupo.
I-judge ka talaga. Ganun. Yun yung kasi doon kami nagsimula before, kaya nahati kami sa mga groups.
And it's just gonna be a stepping stone. Kasi nung una sabi ko, ayoko ng girl group.
Yes, umuwi ako. Tapos nag-isip-isip ako, mga realizations. Tapos nag-pray ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, pag nakabalik ako, hindi na talaga ako magka-quit. Kasi ibig sabihin, para sa akin to.
Eventually, na-realize niya na ito pala ang gusto niya talaga.
Kaya ba nilang i-handle yung mga ganito? Lahat naman yun, ina-assess, hindi lang basta hinanpick, kinuha. As in nitty-gritty talaga, as in from mental health, work ethics, attitude, skills, lahat yan, inisa-isa.
Dinaanan nila yung emotional stress na matatanggal sila. They're not sure if they're part of the final group.
I'll be honest, ang threshold ko for a girl group is really just 5.
Oh. Oh my god. It's so hard when you just say, oh, okay, we will debut with this member, but just suddenly one of them are leaving, or one of them was eliminated in some of evaluation, and you get along. What if you get along with her and you become bestie? It's the hardest. At this point, you want everybody to debut together. Like, it's not like the start. When you passing by Allah together, you want to make it together. That's why they cry Allah. I understand that. It's so hard.
Ganda mo naman, sana all. Nakikita mo naman ito.
Kahabaan ng bootcamp, siyempre, yung dynamics ng grupo, may nag-aaway, magkasunod, ganyan. Eventually, we ended up with 8 girls.
Grabe yung pinagdaanan namin. Hindi po joke yung 1 week na kakabahan ka na sobrang hindi mo alam kung matatanggal ka na ba ngayong araw.
Yung day na yun, last evaluation po namin sa Korean training kasi ang alam namin, 5 lang talaga.
Actually nga, mas wish pa nga namin na 5 na lang. Kasi kawawa naman, isa lang matatanggal kung 7. So, 3 na tanggalin nyo.
May announcements sa direct through Zoom lang.
Like you to be able to support each other all throughout the journey. We also would like to announce that this is already the final group. So our group of 8 already, and we will not take out anybody from the group.
Para kaming nabunutan ng tinik talaga and at the same time grateful.
Meron ka bang gut feel na wala ka nang matatanggal sa kanilang 8? It felt right. And I was happy that Direk Lauren also felt that way.
Kahit magulo po siya, Nung una, I think it's meant to be na walo kami. Kasi, and meant to be na iba-iba kami from different places of the Philippines. Kasi, we each have our own uniqueness na we get to bring to the table.
Swerte daw ang B eh. BTS, Blackpink. One day, it just came to me na I want to call them B.
This 8 talaga, may certain magic sila eh, nung nagsama-sama na sila.
You're right. Wow. Wow.
And then kasama sa announcement na yun, hindi muna kayo uwi sa pamilya nyo.
The biggest challenge at the time is that
Wow. COVID.
Ilalim na nga ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa enhanced community quarantine ang buong
bahala sa malalaking pagtaas ng bilang ng ating COVID-19
Oh.
positive cases.
Kasi ano dapat yung hindi aabot yan.
Yun yung isang pinakamabigat na decision. We were deciding if papauwiin ba or ikikip because of the lockdown.
Oh.
dance to. Paano ka magtuturo ng song and dance na online?
Double whammy tayo nun eh. We were preparing for the possible non-renewal of our franchise. Parang we could survive that. But we never planned for a global pandemic.
Pag pinauwi natin sila, hindi natin alam kung makakabalik pa sila at kung matutuloy pa tong project.
Okay, so isi-shoot na po namin ang solo ni Stacy. Ang naisip talaga para magtuloy-tuloy yung training is i-lock in. Tinira sila sa isang bahay. Yung girls, nung nakausap ko sila about that, andun pa rin yung gusto nila talaga. Ituloy-tuloy.
Dahil nga nag-pandemic, 8 months, 9 months ata kaming kulong na kami lang.
Even the pandemic, it was a bad luck for a lot of people, and even for their debut, but you can see that it was good also for them. At this time, it's like 8 months and added to training, so it's like 2 years. They just seen each other. That will build a big, strong bond between them and their manager and their CEO and their teams and their director, and that's what we see here.
Bali, kasama na ako ng Bini from PBB pa lang to Bini House. Since restricted kami lumabas nung pandemic, doon na kami gumagawa ng content sa Bini House.
It's another week of good, clean fun with our squad. Palaki na
Wish talaga ng Tito Jeff nyo ay makasama kayo dito ng live. Kaya lang, medyo hindi pa nga po pwede, no?
Digital was the way to go. So they were all creating content, pinakikilala ng sarili nila.
Yes guys, we're still here guys. Oh, huli na po ang aming simulan. Bakit kayo umiiyak? Bakit kayo umiiyak? Ang sad nila.
Pandemic is nakakabaliw at umay na kami sa pagmumukha ng isa't isa talaga. Kasi di kami makalabas. Tapos even yung parents namin, di namin hindi kami ma-visit.
I had to talk to the parents one by one to make them say yes to this. It was a leap of faith to trust management like that.
The decision to keep
It's so hard to tell the manager and the director with your underage. It's so hard. And it is if one of the parents say now, we will need to understand it because it's so hard.
keep them.
But they believe in them.
Yung uncertainty of kailan sila makakalabas, kailan makikita yung pamilya, ganyan.
Ang iniiwasan kasi, may COVID na makapasok sa PBB. So maghahawahan sila kapag nangyari yun. Basta lahat ng request nila na food, ganyan, sa labas ang talaga dinadala.
Nagluluto sila. Tapos papatikim nila sa akin, ang sarap naman.
Since tatlo lang kami na guys doon sa Bini House, kami na lang din talaga yung gumagawa ng paraan. Nag-art dep, nag-shoot for Bini.
Yung experience na yun, dun ko mas nakilala na ay iba pala tong mga batang to. Sila yung willing na mag-help. Ay, Ate Maan, ganito po yung setup. Sila na yung nag-set up ng camera, sila na yung nag-aano ng ilaw.
Yung umpisa, parang ano pa tinatry pa namin na maging positive.
And yung pandemic, it not only lasted for months, but years.
Hi everyone! Hi! So we just finished recording po. Pauwi na po kami to the house. And bukas na naman, we are gonna wake up super early. We're gonna wake up 5 a.m.
Oh.
Kasi we have to be ready kami po mag-make up sa sarili namin.
Oh, wag yung uniform. Wag yung uniform. Oo, may bayad yun. May bayad yun. Pag-ipunan mo. Basta galingan nyo sa pag-aaral nyo.
Sino usap mo?
Hi guys. Kausap ko po ngayon ang aking family.
Siguro pag mga break time namin, water break, pumapasok ako sa kwarto kasi umiiyak ako. Na-homesick ako eh. Like, kasi ang dami namin sa bahay. 'Di ba? Kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko, tapos yung parents ko. Tapos ngayon hindi ko na sila kasama, so nakakagulat siya.
Hi guys! It's Monday. We have no time to chill. Kaya my day-to-day is so productive. Wala masyado akong pahinga.
Good morning.
Oh,
Good morning.
I don't want good morning. I don't want to say good morning.
Gosh, why do you like that? Hi. Morning, Stephanie.
Kasi magkakulitin natin.
A lot of girls, including me, I was depressed. Tapos nag-addict pa ako sa video games. Wala na akong ibang game kundi yun.
Hello po. Dito po ako ngayon sa labas po and ang sarap lang po tumambay dito. Ganda po kasi ng view.
Naramdaman ko lang yung lungkot talaga nung after mga 2 months na sabi ko, ay, ganun pala yung feeling. Hindi pala siya puro saya lang.
Mahirap. Paano ba namin na-survive yun? Ang daming away, misunderstanding, sagutan, adjustment talaga sa isa't isa.
Hi guys, good morning. So kakagising ko lang po kasi di ba ginising ako ng mga kasamahan ko dito. Gosh. But hindi ako talo kasi si Mika late nagising.
And you know, even they passed by this hard time, they have a share. That's what makes them so strong, more and more stronger.
Yan! Siya yung nanggising sa akin! Sarap.
Sige! Ganyan po kasi sa mga ugali ng mga yan.
Sanay na ako na may kapatid. Ang kaibahan lang, puro babae po kami ngayon. So, ganun.
May mga strong personalities like Colette and Mika.
Tapos si Stacy naman, mag-rant siya. Pag harap-harapan naman, hindi naman sasalita si Stacy.
Meron kaming tampuhan ni Joanna before. Ang alam ko, binubuli ko siya.
You scared me.
Nami-misinterpret ako palagi. Pag maingay ako, nagpapapansin na ako.
Si ano po? Si Ate Maloy, si para sa nagre-report?
Ganun naman talaga ako eh. Ano magagawa ko?
Hello, Kuya! Help us! Help us! We're calling your attention! Nabaha po kami dito.
Kalat-kalat pa rin sa room.
Imagine parang you're living with 8 different kind of girls. Parang hirap to bring them in together. Tapos to live in the same house for like 2 years, 3 years, parang ganyan.
Hi guys, it's Tuesday, it's Thursday.
Ayusin ko yung utak ko. Ang dami kong iniisip.
Feeling
namin hindi na kami tao kasi ang tagal na namin nakakulong lang sa bahay. Ulit-ulit lang yung routine namin. Sobrang umay na kami.
Tapos hindi namin alam kung may patutunguhan pa to.
Oh my gosh!
What's happening?
Siguro hindi po enough ang word na nakakapagod. Sobrang hirap yung training namin. Parang hindi enough yung words na yun. Lahat ng sayaw, iba pa yung workout na 20:1. Iba pa yung drills namin. Iba pa yung stretching. As in, lahat na try na namin.
Showtime na.
Good morning.
Did you see how much they passed by to be that perfect? Oh my god, they're so strong to survive in this. If it was me, I will leave everything and go to my home, to my family.
Gigising sila ng morning to train.
Oh my god.
And then afternoon, meron silang voice class naman. And then afternoon, magsiset up na sila for...
So mamaya po may Kumu live po kami. So yun po yung ako ngayon naka-ankle support.
Most of the time, we would ask, bakit para saan ba itong ginagawa namin?
Coach, kailan kaya kami sisikat? Sabi nila, kahit mag-mall show kami sa Fisherman, masaya na kami, parang ganyan.
Wala kaming pera, hindi naman kumikita pa tong project na to.
Wala, ang baba ng mga views sa YouTube. Kaya na kami maka 5,000, 7,000. So parang, if not going to fly, then maybe we have to make a tough call.
Hindi man na-renew ang aming prangkisa,
Hindi sila pwedeng umere sa Channel 2.
with thousands losing their jobs in the process.
Wow.
Hindi po binigay ng National Telecommunications Commission ang lisensya para sa patuloy na paglilingkod ng ABS-CBN.
Next nating challenge is the shutdown. Ang susunod doon, retrenchment.
Nagsisign kami para sa posters ng Miniverse. We don't sign and then print, ha? We sign it all. Hindi maiwasan yung pagod. Pero excited talaga kami. Mas nangingibabaw yung excitement kesa sa pagod.
Nagte-training kami pero nakikinig din kami ng hearing kung ano ba, itutuloy ba yung franchise ng ABS, gano'n.
Oh my god.
Finally, sinabi ng shutdown, yung may announcement na si CLK, nag-color bars na tayo, whatever. Ang una ko talagang tanong kay Direk, tandang-tanda ko to, Direk, paano yung mga bata?
Dumating sa diskusyon na itutuloy ba natin to o hindi.
Tapos nung na-shutdown na, actually, nakatingin lang kami sa TV noon. That time, tapos nasa isip ko, nauwi na ba ako? Ganun.
They were like, after the whole hard work in the pool, and they give up on their family, on their school, on their sibling to reach their dreams and this year. But in the end, they felt like everything is going to end. And a bad ending, not a good ending. Oh my God, it's so hard.
Kakastart pa lang namin, dinaw na kami, hindi pa nga namin nalabas lahat ng kaya namin gawin. Tapos ganun na agad.
Ang dami naggasto sa amin na wala kami nababalik pa. Parang tinanggap ko na rin na anytime matatanggal tong group na to.
Dami namin na-sacrifice that time. Yung time, yung effort, yung kalusugan namin. Yung time na yun, humiga kami. Paikot kami, magkakahawak na lang kami ng kamay. So, umiiyak lang kami. Sabi namin, lahat ng gusto namin sabihin, tinapon lang namin sa universe. Sabi namin, kahit anong mangyari, kayanin namin to, gano'n.
Could I realize na hindi lahat madadaan sa iyak. Kailangan mo maging matapang naman.
Siyempre, nagka-meeting. Pero ina-expect ka na namin sa meeting ngayon sasabihin na stuck na itong project, ganyan. Pero hindi. Sinabi nila na itutuloy daw.
Tuloy-tuloy yung pagsuporta nila sa atin. Yung girls, sinasabi nila na, tara ituloy natin to, i-push lang natin to.
Tuloy lang. Ganun lang naman eh. Tuloy lang. Hanggang hindi sinasabing tumigil, tuloy lang.
Oh my God, I'm crying. Did you know here, it's when you put everything, you just do everything, sacrifice everything, because you know everything is going to an end, so you want a happy end, and without regret. Okay. I like the time traveling in the commentary. It's so interesting. It shows you how they become from the down under rock to the top, to the higher top in Philippine grooves history.
Actually, pareho ng tempo yan.
Ah,
Mahina lang yun. Gusto mo magalan yung umpisang yan.
hindi, well, kasi parang dito okay naman siya.
Nung una ko silang napanood, parang kinabahan ako kasi sabi ko, hindi lahat marunong ng kumanta. Kinakabahan ako how I would train them para gumaling silang lahat and mag-blend sila all together.
1, 2, 3. Sayaw-sayaw hanggang sa magdamag. Ibig ang pumadyak sa buong magdamag. Game girls, let's go.
Kung ano yung nakikita nyo on cam, mainly yun din yung makikita nyo off cam. Mas naging solid na yung bonding ng girls to the point na wala na silang kailangan itago on cam.
Nag-swimming sila at si Ate Ayan na nandoon din siya, nag-swimming siya. Hindi ko alam makikita niya pero ayan siya, ayan, ayan, ayan.
Matagal din kami nagstay together. So, nagmamature din naman po lahat. So, yun yung maganda doon.
They all learned how to adjust to each other so that they can blend well together. Same din sa friendships nila. Alam na nila pag merong isa na medyo wala sa mood or may pinagdadaanan, parang they give the space bago nilang i-try na ayusin kung ano man yung nangyayari. It's nice to see how they've all really kind of matured throughout the years.
Lagi na napapasabi na halika mula umaga hanggang malalanda. Hanggang gabi pauwi at bago matulog ng mahimbing. Naiisip kita lagi-lagi. Lagi-lagi. Lagi-lagi.
She's so cute.
Nothing can hold us back.
I was 20 ng umaga. May Zoom meeting daw, ganyan, with Miss Jovi. Wala pa akong kakagising ko lang nun eh. Like, wala pa nga atang 6 a.m. na madaling araw pa.
Mom niya inoperahan and then after the operation hindi na nagising. So coma. During the lockdown, doon namin nalaman na
Nakaramdam na ako na may something. There's something wrong. Sino ba namang tatawagan ng 5 a.m. para sa Zoom call? Ganun ba ka-importante yung sasabihin mo? Yung pala, sobrang importante nun.
Sheena, I don't know how to, but just want to, to tell you that, we're very sorry, but, your mom just passed away just this morning.
Sinabi ni Sir James na nawala na si Mami. Actually, hindi pa nag-sink in sa akin nun. Hindi pa ako umiiyak sa Zoom ko. Nakatulala lang ako ganun. Okay po. Tapos after nun, yun na, nagkulong na ako sa isang room.
Oh, that's so hard. The shock, when you're in the shock, you can't even cry or say something. You can't believe it. Oh my God.
Tapos umiyak ako. Tapos yung girls, kinakatok ako, inilak ko yung door. Tapos eventually, in-open ko, inaawa ko sa kanila eh.
Kasi kahit kami, wala din kami magawa. So, parang kino-comfort na lang, hinahayaan namin. Umiyak, kino-comfort na lang namin.
po. Parang nawalan din po talaga kami ng nanay kasi si Sheena po ay bunso namin. So, siya talaga yung isa sa mga inaalagaan namin. Nung nalaman po niya na may sakit na yung mami niya, trainees pa po kami nun. Nagugulat daw po siya kasi bakit daw hindi na nag-chat yung mom niya. Kaya ay na-witness po namin kung paano po nag-umpisa. Na-witness po namin kung paano rin nagtapos.
Bebe! I'm gonna miss you so much! Yay! I'm gonna miss you!
I'm going home. Sa utak ko nga naman, makauwi agad ako eh. Like, kinagabihan, travel na ako. Pero hindi, sobrang dami palang papeles. Alay ba? Hindi na ako. Bago pa ako makauwi sa bahay, nag-ano pa ako, quarantine pa ako sa hotel.
Look how strong she didn't want to cry over her beloved one. She didn't want to cry in front of them.
Hello, welcome home ako, Gina. Love you, miss you so much.
Oh my God, that's so...
Hindi niya naabutan ng mom niya. Hindi niya nakita ang mom niya sa... Nakauwi na lang siya, nalibing na.
Next family member ko po is of course my mother, my mommy. Angeline M. Katakutan po, which akala po ng iba is magkapatid po kami. Bakit?
Yeah. Oh, siya yung kausap ko na lagi. Si mami.
Si Sheena talaga isa sa mga pinaka-strong na tao na nakilala ko ever.
Yung pinipili niya to just keep pushing. That's a very inspiring thing.
Sobrang bata pa ni Sheena, ang dami niya nang nangyayari sa buhay niya. As much as possible, parang kaming mga ate niya.
Sheena!
She's so blessed to have them.
Pag magkasama kami, masaya lang palagi. Para naman yung youth niya, parang na-enjoy niya parang.
Oh my God.
Pagbalik ko nang galing sa Isabela, like naramdaman ko talaga na they really cared for me, they missed me, ganyan. Doon nabuo yung bond namin. Kasi wala kaming ibang pagka.
The hard time is making people bond to get stronger and stronger.
Kapitan ko din isa't isa.
21. Ang impression kasi ng mga tao pag sa girl group sa pawan, inggitan, backstaban, ganon. Kasi kami bini, dumaan kami sa phase na ganon, pero ngayon, sobrang wala na.
I appreciated the fact that we stayed together in one place for a long time kasi I feel like that's what made our bond this strong.
Learn how to make the most while living together. That time, I'd rather have that than to be alone.
Happy ako kasi binigyan ako talaga ni Lord ng 7 sisters. Itong Bini, silang 7. Ito yung highlight ng buhay ko. Na kapag tumanda na ako, isa to sa mga kwento na ikikwento ko sa lahat. Ganun. Ako sobrang saya ko na makasama ko sila sa buhay kong to. Sobrang.
She's so emotional.
Kahit tanungin niyo ako, wala akong best friend eh. Kasi wala, nag-struggle talaga ako sa ganung bagay before, which is sobrang swerte ko na nandyan yung girls na parang alam kong anytime may maano ko mang sasandalan. Ano talaga, constant sila sa akin.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yung mga birthdays ng bawat isa, yung girls, nag-e-effort sila. Doon ko naramdaman na pamilya na yung touring talaga nila.
Happy birthday! Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Oh, that's so cute.
dapat kay Joanna about music, art, fashion, doon pa lang kayo lumilikod. So yun, reminders lang, pag doon sa part ni Stacey, wait natin siya makapagpalit, stretch nyo yun. Okay?
It's the first time we've actually like ran everything, and this is the closest we have been to complete. It's finally coming, you know. Like, feeling ko doon lang nag-dawn on.
Parang hindi pa siya nagsisinkin sa akin na 2 days na lang. Nung nandito pa lang kami, parang nakatayo pa lang kami, ginagayto ko sa likod yung kamay ko. Kasi sobrang tense na tense talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nakailang sign of the cross ako sa gilid pag ko na.
Isang malaking challenge din na paano sila ipapakilala. Ano ang Bini? Bakit sila nabuo? Yung mga ganon. Those are the friendly questions. And you know, I don't mind answering that. Pero meron rin talaga yung outright na parang, sino sila? Yung ganyan.
We had different attempts, different experiments on what kind of music.
I love this. Manager, she's so real for what she said.
We wanted for being.
Doon tayo sa pre-debut na The Coconut Nut. Okay.
Grabe ang coconut na yan.
Una, cute siya. Hindi naman ako cute.
Ang inaaral lang namin, coconut for 9 months. Kahit nakapikit ako, kaya ko siyang sayawin. Ganon kalala yung coconut sa amin.
Wala kaming stylist. Sila yung nagsusulse.
Day, mamaya na natin tuloy. Shoot muna tayo kasi 8 pa sa akin.
Yung coconut era ko, yun yung sobrang stress na stress ako. May pigsa ako dito, sa noo, sa pisngi.
Limited lang yung sources namin, yung mga costume namin, kami-kami lang, sa asawa ni Coach Minky, kay Miss MQ, yung mga ganun ba?
Itsura po namin noon na sobrang tsatsaka po talaga namin.
Hindi ko na-imagine na ganito, magiging ganito ang coconut.
Bagong girl group, inaabangan na it's either maangas yung kanta. Ngayon, nung lumabas yung coconut, yung mga tao hala.
Ganito ang mukhang to. Ganyan ang mukha ko bago mag-debut.
So, hindi pa sila masyadong kinakagat nung time na yon.
Mabuhay!
Ang dami mong mga bashers na bakit ganon, ang simple lang, Hindi nila ever malalaman kasi kung ano yung ginawa naming mga sacrifices para maitawid yun.
Ang daming memories na nandun sa Coco.
That's what I want to say. People just judge what this person or what this group passing by to make a debut, but it's just judge. And that's not good.
At lahat ng paghihirap namin, lahat ng iyak namin together, ganyan.
Nasanay kami sa camera lang talaga. Parang wala kaming ibang ganap kundi mag-performance video shoot. Puro ganun lang. Isang camera lang, ibig sabihin, sasawin mo siya ng 10 beses para lang may iba't ibang shots.
Mahirap mag-launch ng group sa pandemic. Tapos sila pa na performer. Saan sila magpo-perform? Wala naman tayong music shows.
Hindi mo pa alam kasi kung musically kung anong direction mo dadalhin ito. Ito ba ay pa-sweet? Ito ba ay pa-fierce? Ano ba ang gusto ng tao? Tagalog ba o English?
Nangangapa pa po kami sa mga makeup artist noon and hanggang sa dumating si Ate Ike's as our visual director.
Una ko sila na-meet, inas po ako mag-style sa kanila sa first ASAP po nila. Yan naman din yung na-visualize naming branding ng Bini na they're very relatable. Kung pwedeng lahat yan ukay-ukay, okay lang kami. Kasi nga, meron tayong sariling styles na mga inspirations ng mga Filipino icons.
Siya po talaga yung nagbigay kulay sa branding namin, sa outfits namin, sa looks namin.
Mga ganun yung mga kakasal Go po, sana po, dancers.
The early years, hindi kasing dali ibenta ang Bini. Kasi 8 sila. Tapos di ba pag 8, parang laging magkakamukha sila. Kasi hindi mo naman pa sila kilala. So magkakamukha nga talaga sila.
When we had a listening session for their debut song, Runaway Winner ang Born to Win.
Full yung glam, may hair, makeup, yung outfit kompleto. Like, feel mo ano ka. Kasi nga hindi namin naramdaman yun the coconut nut. So, slowly nararamdaman namin, ay, girl group pala tayo.
Samahan niyo kami sa the making of Born to Win! Let's go!
okay, ito na yun, ito na tong song na to, magbo-boom na talaga ang Bini.
So let me hear it, I'm on it. No, every step we take, boundary we break. There's nothing we can do. When it gets hard to see, just repeat it to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back. Let's make the moment last. What you have today won't fade away. 'Cause baby, we're born to win.
And they start to go what they deserve, baby.
People are all in social media right now. Because of the pandemic, it would have been easier to be able to promote the group. But it's not. It was so hard.
Okay, hindi pala.
Iba kasi yung hype pag energy na nabibigay ng live audience sa pagwala ng kayo-kayo lang.
Yung mga ibang OG talaga, dyan nag-start na makilala sila. At least for the first years of Bini, it was really trial and error.
You have to keep making songs over and over again. Hopefully, one day, one moment na mag-boom siya.
Consistency in every path is a key.
Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo.
Sabi po namin, ay, magbo-boom na yan, magbo-boom na. This is our year, girls. Gumaganon-ganon na kami noon.
Boom, panis pa ko ka. Kasi besides Born to Win, marami kami nirelease na songs. At that time, Blooms ang nakikinig. Kaya super grateful kami sa kanila kasi talagang sila yung nag-work na dumami yung streams, yung views. Tapos biglang nawala yung pandemic, nag-adjust kami na parang paano makikipag-interact sa audience. Yun yung struggle. Honestly, all I can think of is seeing my family and friends.
Yung motivation ko, kasi may kita ko na ulit yung family ko this 28th. So excited ako makita sila kasi yan, tagal na namin din nagkita ulit.
Hi, Sir Roxy!
Let's go po, let's go po, let's go. Game mo, pray lang po.
Jo, ano nafe-feel nyo ngayon? Ano nafe-feel nyo ngayon before kayo sumali?
Kinakabahan, na-jets, na naiibig lahat ako.
Bakit kaya?
Kasi nandito si Derek Lauren and Sir Roxy. So parang namin, eto na. Parang evaluate.
It's a day rare for them to be there.
1, 2, 3!
We all felt like it was a management presentation all over again, na parang ina-evaluate ulit kami.
Parang bumalik sa akin yung memories na tanggalan pa ng Bini, yung trainee days namin.
I always felt I needed to find a reason. Parang it was a matter of time. Parang ganyan yung feeling ko, it was a matter of time.
Seemingly, you have the perfect combination of everybody. Your team, all on board. The girls are well-trained and certainly may frustration when pag hindi mo na a-achieve.
So, nung mga panahon na nag-events kami, yung parang one of the lang kami. Yung gano'n.
Bini, ready?
I like how the manager's team and the trainer and everybody is believing in this group so much because they feel like they're their daughters, not just a group that they're training it or something.
Laging sinasabi, magagaling sila. Pero anong grupo to na alam nila yung kanta namin pero hindi nila kami kilala.
Even maka 100K views, medyo nahirapan talaga kami.
Kasi binibilangan namin yung years na nag-training kami. La girls, 2 years na tayo. Wala pa rin. Nangihinayang kami sa dami ng sinacrifice namin tas sa haba ng training namin para sa wala.
Dahil kailangan ko silang ilako. Meron talagang mga brands na na hindi ka pinapansin kasi you want them naman to earn kahit papano. Pero minsan tinatawaran ka.
Oh my god, that's so hard to hear.
Or libre lang pag nag-perform kasi nga we want to just make the people aware that there is this group.
Parang ipaparinig pa sa kanila na sino ba kayo?
Makikilala mo kami!
Daming events na parang makatingin ng meet and greet na dinadaanan lang. Na parang mag-smile ka lang, pero deep inside parang, ouch.
Hi! Every time may pupuntahan po kaming ganap, lagi po kaming nag-overthink na may blooms kayang pupunta, may mga makakakilala ba sa atin.
Pero yun yung isa sa pinakamasakit na tanong, yung may papalakpak.
Now the whole world know you girls. The whole world cheering for you girls.
Po ba sa amin? Ayokong questionin na 3 years lang ba't hindi pa tayo sumisikat.
Guys, say hi!
Posibleng hindi ibalik ang binibigay nila sa universe.
Sobrang bagal ng oras for us.
This one ang showtime namin. Last showtime live namin.
Daming times nung naghihirap talaga sila eh. Kasi nakita ko yung iyak nila, nakita ko yung tawa nila, nakita ko rin yung hard work nila.
Ang ganda ng dynamics nila na they're all parang working towards one thing. Sabi ko, kaya to.
Nasasad, yes, but hindi naman nag-give up. Hindi ko nakitaan yung mga bata na gusto na mag-give up.
Mamahalin mo eh. Mamahalin mo sila enough to say that we will see this through and one day it will just happen.
I think we all had one vision, and that's to make these girls succeed.
From the Coconut Nut that was their pre-debut in November of 2021 to Summer Song in 2023, it seemed like a full circle. And what?
I love how they believe in them and how they didn't even talk about this band with them, even the tough time, and they didn't give back anything, just losing money over them. But they see how hardworking they were, and they kept them, and they kept living with them. That's so awesome.
Bawat aromas sa masaya, magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na.
In-expect ko na mag-iingay yung Pantropiko, pero hindi sa gantong paiingay niya yung Bini talaga. So doon na nag-start po lahat.
Nahanap na natin finally ang sound ng Bini, the bubblegum pop.
Pantropiko, 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 Pantropiko,
We're so not.
First time ko makita sumayaw si Derek. Kaya...
Oh my god, he's like their father. He's so proud of them. Like they literally grow up and develop in front of his eyes.
From where we started, we didn't realize that 2024 will be the year for me.
Pa-summer pa lang, wala na. Kung maingay na yung Pantropiko.
Nakita na namin yung pagtaas ng mga numbers nila, monthly listeners.
Oh, wow.
bawat aromas sa masaya, magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang isang Pantropiko.
Super na-overwhelm ako ng umpisa. Like may DC, nakalagay dun siya, nakatakutan. Masarap sa puso na ang daming nakaka-appreciate nung choreo ko, lalo na first time ko mag-choreo for Bini.
Totoo pala yun. Once na may sumikat kang song, babalikan nila yung discography mo.
Hip-hop, this is Filipino? People of YouTube, I don't know what I'm doing here. And who is that?
Oh my gosh! Wait!
I'm ready to be called a princess. Hey, hey.
All of a sudden, Bini is everywhere and everybody wants Bini.
My heart is so happy. Like This documentary make me cry and then make me have joy and happiness. Oh my God.
Ang daming inquiries, ang daming endorsements, ang daming brands.
Akala ko ako lang ba ito kasi taga-Bini ako. Parang lahat, Bini. Ano ba ito? Puro Bini. Nandun na pala siya sa level na pag sinabi mong magbihis kang parang Bini, alam na nila. May mga nag-viral na pong mga videos namin, mga kalokohan namin, yung mga Bini Core. Parang yun po talaga yung pinakaminahal sa amin ng tao. From the very beginning, ito talaga yung pangarap namin para sa kanila. Deserve naman talaga nila yun.
Yung meaning ng song talaga, sobrang swak siya. Yun yung pinaka, I think, resonates with the group talaga and the whole team.
Minsan ay nahuhuli sa sarili na nakaalala. Pati hindi ko tuladan ng problema, pero di ka lang.
Kasi siguro ate siya, so feeling niya burden sa mga mas bata sa kanya pag i-share niya pa yung worries niya sa sarili niya. Ikimkimin niya na lang.
Actually, buong preparation namin for NFT, hindi siya okay. The best thing na we can do is wag usap okay na maintindihan namin. Kasi ayaw namin siyang ma-pressure na maging okay siya agad.
Did you see how they understand HR?
I was actually even thinking if I open this up. Kasi it's also a scary thing to open your vulnerable state to everyone. Kasi never know, it might be used against you. But I've thought about it. And ang daming mga tao na hindi nila napapag-usapan. But because of that, they've felt seen and heard. If it means na I can hopefully help someone, then I will. It started with Beanie Day. Hindi ko siya in-expect. I was very happy, kalogsay, gano'n. I was taking photos of everybody. Tapos, nung pauwi na kami, that's when, as in switch lang po siya, parang boom, biglang.
Hindi kasi bago sa amin yung nangyaring ganun kay Ate Aya kasi may mga times din talaga na ina-atake siya ng ganun. Pero yun yung worst.
I was very pressured with school. At that time, hindi kami nakakalabas. I don't get to see my family, my friends that much. So, wala ako masyadong outlet.
Nasa elevator kami galing ganap. Na-trigger siya. Tapos parang, ako pa yung may hawak sa kanya nun eh. Sobrang natatakot ako nung time na yun kasi sobrang diin na nung hawak niya sa akin nun. Tapos parang di niya na nakokontrol yung sarili niya.
Hindi na-overcome ni Aya overnight. It was a struggle from that day hanggang Beanieverse concert.
The song I'm excited to perform on Beanieverse is...
Kinabahan na talaga ako kasi unang-una ang iniisip ko kasi sila, aming kaya ba nila?
Okay, ano lang, light lang. Game, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I was so worried. And like, actually, naawa na ako sa lahat ng girls. Like, naawa na ako sa amin kasi grabe yung schedules.
Hello, Pose.
But I guess for Ate Aya, something triggered her. She just couldn't stop it, you know.
Are you okay?
Parang nagka-anxiety po ako that time na first time in my life na I could not even look at people in the eye. Konting open lang ng mask, parang oh my God, I feel so naked, I feel so seen. Ayoko niyan. So, lagi ako naka-cap and mask and hoodie.
Of course, with the help of the professionals, nag-offer naman kami ng ganun. At least nailabas niya.
I
I stayed with her for like a week. Na ako yung nagbabantay sa kanya, ganyan.
Yung mom ko din yung to the rescue. Just having my mom there, parang, naging okay ako. Ganun po.
Kahit anong sabi mo,
Oh my God, my girl passed by Allah.
Aya, I'm here. Kung kailangan mo ng kausap, it's up to her eh.
Walat sa'yo to.
Itong mga batang to kasi, hindi nga sila nagsasabi ng hindi nila kaya. Lagi silang go, sige po, kahit ano nang nararamdaman nila, go po. Nung nagre-rehearse pa lang sila nun, palagi kong tinatanong sa kanya kung kaya niya. Nung sinabi ni Aya na hindi ko po alam, doon ako nag-worry.
Everyone is there, it's all full. So we started the countdown, it's final minutes from the comic universe when we call her full.
Oh, it's so hard to be worried in the most important day in your life.
Nandito na tayo sa pintuan. And I don't want to add any other pressure.
Enjoy the box.
Hey! Thank you for being here.
So,
Going, girl.
couple minutes before it started, nakita ko yung mga audience.
Hindi talaga namin alam kung makakapag-perform ba siya, kumpleto ba kami, first concert namin yun.
Kasi energy ko siguro nasa 143. So yung 43%, pinibigay ko sa kanila.
No, no! Oh, hinga! Oh, hinga, hinga! No, hinga! Hinga, hinga! Hinga, hinga, hinga! Hinga, 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 hinga!
Oh my God, she has anxiety. I feel like fear. Oh my God, it's so hard.
Oh my God! Fine. Hinga, hinga! Laban, laban! Laban, laban na! Laban, nandito ka na lang! Sabi, katulong ka! Kaya mo yan! Alalay, alalay, alalay! Kaya, kaya! Kaya! Blanco! Wala sila! Wala sila!
Ginigauge ko pa rin po that time na parang, hala, hindi ko kasi super duper kaya pa 100% na tumingin sa audiences, to interact.
Tinatry kasi talaga ni Ate Aye. Tinatry niya po talagang ayusin yung sarili niya, pero hindi niya talaga nakokontrol. Yun yung mahirap. Pinaramdam namin sa kanya na lahat na naramdaman niya valid. Hindi namin control lahat ng mga bagay.
Itong year na to. Dito kami pinaka na-test din talaga.
Stay. Happy lang. Okay na.
Kami na magkakasama, kami may alam talaga nung lahat ng napagdaanan namin girls. And
Sobrang grateful sa kanila kasi grabe yung happiness na binibigay rin nila sa akin.
Ang hirap ng pinagdaanan namin. Could have been just so easy to step out, to quit.
Ang hiling ko that time, sana na pag-angat ng Ellie dito, maramdaman talaga ni Aya na sobrang dami nagmamahal sa kanya.
Hindi na natin alam kung kailan ulit masayang experience. Nakakapagod pero mamimiss natin yung experience na to. Yeah! Game! 5, 6, 7, go! B! I! N! I! 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 Bini!
Do you see what hard working bring you to this, to making your dream happen?
Nang gabi ng puyat sa kakaisip, kakaisip sa'yo. Nabalikan na parang panaginip ang panahon.
Every time I would feel anxious, I would just look at my family and friends. Yun din, may mga friends ako, nagdala sila ng signs para, okay, Aya, in case, just look at our signs.
Pero nung binigay niya na yung Aya smile, yung totoong smile, sabi ko, okay na tayo. Okay na si Aya.
Doon ko na-feel na, oh my God, ito na to, we will have a great show.
Oh my God, she have her smile. She's so cute, my baby. She going through a lot. I'm happy she is okay now.
I really felt it and I choose to feel all of it para after feeling all of it and going through it, I get to learn how to move forward.
Thank you, Lord!
Oh my God, I survived! I just hope that we continue to make everyone feel safe.
If you're safe, we're safe, girl. Oh my God.
One concert is hard enough. Can they survive 3 days?
May something talaga eh. Ano na, iba na yung nararamdaman ko. Parang umabot na siya sa ilong ko, yung lalamunan ko. Parang alam mo yung mabigat na talaga siya.
Guys, walang boses ngayon si Gwen, pero tignan niyo mag-perform.
Hindi ko talaga naramdaman. Alam ko lang may problema si Gwen.
Hindi mo nahalata dahil hindi rin nila pinahalata.
Bawat exit ko, humihina yung oxygen ko. Ang naaalala ko dun, na ano pa ako, nag-faint pa ako ulit ng saglit.
Kaya ba niya? Kasi anong sasabihin natin sa mga tao?
Wait lang, gising ako. Kailangan ko ganun na yung itsura ko.
Actually, ang kabado kami doon. Baka nasa stage bigla siyang
They're so hardworking.
bumigay. Tapos nakaabang kami tuwing lalabas. Kailangan i-check yung BP niya, kailangan i-check yung oxygen niya.
Tawid lang niya yung patropico tsaka itong last bumibigay. Basta pag di niya kaya direct umupo siya.
But si Gwen mismo yung nagsasabi na ayaw niyang padala sa ospital, give her time. The will to do this. Talagang, wow, itong manipis na babaeng to, will to do it. Talagang, she did it and she performed.
They're so hardworking. They deserve the whole world love.
Feeling ko rin si Gwen ayaw niyang mawala. So talagang nilaban niya yung concert na yun. Sa pagod, sa stress din siguro, sa init. Nagulat ako kasi pagkalingon ko, nagdudugo na talaga yung ilong ni Gwen.
Ang nag-push kay Bebe na sumama siya is ayaw niyang mag-change pa kami or mahirapan kami na saluhin siya. Kasi may ganun kaming sakit na girls. Ayaw namin mag-absent kahit may nararamdaman kasi ayaw namin mag-adjust pa yung iba.
Very fragile talaga si Gwen.
Wow. Did you see, does the commentary show us what's really happened behind the scene? We just see 8 strong, talented, good performance girl, but there is a lot happened behind the scene to reach this good performance.
Gwen, kung pwede mo lang, ba yan? Kung pwede mo lang kunin yung pain na yun, kasi ako sa sarili ko, feeling ko yun yung good trait ko na hindi ako mabilis panghinaan ng loob. So kung pwede ko lang yun ibigay kay Gwen.
Ang tagal hinintay ng Blooms yun and deserve nilang makapanood ng magandang show. Yun yung naiisip ko. Deserve nila mapanood kami.
Doon ko talaga napatunayan na, oh my God, hindi mo basta matitinag itong mga to. Talagang pag sinabing laban, lalaban sila.
Parang isa yung nararamdaman namin kasi isa lang naman yung journey namin eh.
They've gone a long way. Deserve nila to be on that stage.
Pero itong mga to kasi gusto nga nila ng best. Yun lang naman yun. Gusto nila ng best yung may papakita nila sa fans. yun lang pinag-pray ko na i-protect sila ng mga tao at mas maintindihan sila kasi at the end of the day, they're still kids na need ng protection and guidance from mas nakakatanda po.
Kasi deserve naman talaga nila. Dami nilang hinarap na pagsubok talaga.
Okay, Lord, may sense pala yung mga struggles before. Na kaya pala sila nag-aaway dati, hindi nagkakasundo na dati. Is dahil para sa ngayon.
Oh my God. These dogs are so cute and you feel like they are like their parents.
There's really something special. Not just vocally, but personality-wise. Parang lahat sila meron something unique to offer.
It's about all of us girls, the people who believe in us, and the place is filled with love and support. At the end of the day, nangingibaba po yung love. It felt like a safe space for me.
Parang wala akong masyadong rason to give up, di ba? Parang sila palang enough na to stay. Yun.
Yeah, I've hunted and I've been there through different faces. I've been feeling like I don't have the power in me. It took me a few dead ends to find out we understand.
I think it was tama lang na siya yung leader. I'm very proud of her kasi she stays strong for all of us.
We're ready, you ready?
Let's go, girls! I know as a leader, ang dami niyang pinagdaanan na hindi kaaya-aya, but she handles it very well.
Lahat kami nakadepende kay Joe. Pag ano sabihin niya, kahit matanda pa, mas matanda sa kanya, okay, go.
Made to be broken, but we won't stop, we won't stop. So let me hear it, I wanna know everything we take, I'll do it, baby, nothing we can do.
Si Ate Colette, sa aming 8, siya talaga yung sobrang nag-adjust sa ugali. Lagi siya nakabantay sa aming 7.
Angat pa sa sister, mother. She mothered so hard.
Yung tatay ko, FW siya for 13 years. Tapos umuwi lang siya siguro mga 3 years ago para makasama kami.
Alis na ako, bye! Hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit ako babalik.
Namimiss ko sila palagi.
All you need is some time.
My girl is so emotional. She have a soft heart.
Ay, si Mami po kasi siya po talaga yung nag-push sa akin na mag-audition. Siya po yung OG Kikay talaga. Siya yung role model ko, kumbaga.
Si Stacey gano'n na siya, noon pa lang. Siguro nung una, hindi pa nila sa inyo napakita na makulit siya, pero ganun siya kakulit talaga.
They don't really get to watch me a lot because we live separately. When I've experienced like them watching me,
Si Mika, paastig-astig lang yan, pero iyakin din yan.
unfair.
I love how their parents are their #1 supporter. Oh my God, and their shoulders. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. First time ako mapanood ni Amma and my brother and Ate Baket. Ate Baket, siya yung yaya ko since 1 month old ako. Buong concert ko tinatry, hindi umiyak.
Alis ko muna, I can't perform.
My bebe, she's the softest, sweetest human being. Sa kanya ako pinaka-clingy. Yung pagka-clingy ko kay Ate Gwen, hindi ko yung kaya gawin kay Ate Jo, mandidiri ako.
Ate Aya, I think she's doing better now. And I hope that she realizes rin na she's not alone in this.
Magkayakan tungo sa ating pangarap. Lahat ng to sa ating nagpapatibay. itong iaalala.
Ito yung year na sobrang daming nagbago sa amin talaga. So dito pinagtibay yung samahan namin.
Pahinga kayo. Pahinga na.
Thank you po!
Yeah, thank you.
Siyempre, dream ko sa Bini is ma-continue tong success na nararamdaman namin ngayon. Yung kinakatakot namin na maging one-time, big-time lang to, tapos mawawala lahat.
Hoping talaga na maging international girl group kami. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo talaga.
Alam niyo, feeling ko lang talaga, meant to be talaga mangyari na maging Bini kami, na 8 kami. Destined talaga.
5, 6, 7, go! B-I-N-I! Bini!
Oh my god. The commentary is really a roller coaster. We cry, we have a hard time, but in the end we have joy, we have happiness, we say Allah and Allah. But do you know what's this? The commentary. Let us know and learn is that the constancy, the hard working, the bound, the respect, the hard working more, the believe in what you want, and to sacrifice everything for what you want, it make you one day what you want to be. That's what I want, and I hope they get more recognition, more happiness, and maybe Coachella, the performance at Coachella, and more biggest stage around the world and have a world tour because they deserve it and they have a lot of fans around the world and they can do it. And I like the balance between them and the staff, the monitor, the other staff, the manager, a lot of things. They're passing through a lot of things from the beginning to now to going throughout a lot, but to keep it together. And I'm so happy for them. I'm so proud of them, and I'm so happy because I know I grew up like this. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.